Myself is working in with Arvind Fashion Limited in Bangalore, settled down over here. I was working from last 2 years over here, and I'm taking care of partner brand retail buying and merchandising for women's and kids. So we have almost 90 stores across India. We are mostly present in south, down south, like Chennai, Hyderabad, Telangana. Talk about retail. So we'll start from scratch. So once you have a store, so you'll have to categorize your store into men's, women's, kids, and newborn babies and also. So we are elaborating all those segments which we are having. So we do buying for our stores. For buying, we need to do R&D. Like suppose what are the taste and preferences of Chennai customers. So we are looking how the customer react in Chennai, what kind of design, what kind of fashion they are looking for. So we do buying for those certain store wise or the area wise. You can, because if you talk about if you're buying the merchandise for the north, it's totally different things. When you are buying merchandise for down south, basically in Chennai or Hyderabad or Andhra Pradesh or Telangana or Kerala, so here the people having a different taste of design and fashion. As per the pricing also needs to be changed. We are changing the pricing also. So whatever the product which is available in Chennai, but might be differ from Chennai to Hyderabad or to Andhra Pradesh or to Kerala. Depends on the season and the theme of that season. So every season has 2-3 theme. So every or like 21 days or 24 days, changing the windows according to the taste. What is the upcoming designs and upcoming theme and color combinations and all. And sometimes that also depends on the festive. So suppose in south, you have the major festival like Ugadi, whatever you can say. So that we can change according to the festival and moods. So suppose like this way we are having in the spring summer. So once the spring, we are done with the buying of spring summer, we directly send to the warehouse. Warehouse team will send to the stores, allocated stores, and the number of quantity, the sizing and mixing and everything. So as soon as they reach to the store, the store team will be doing pin and tags and ironing and so many things. All the way this is presentable to the stores. I think these people are doing all the operations team. Once it will be done displaying in the store, that is ready for sellable things. Now it's ready to sell out. And before that also we are trying to give the feedback to, or maybe we are training to the staff. Like some of the denim have different structure, some of the washable instruction and the fitting instructions, the design element training, and also that they can elaborate to the customers too, so they can easy to buy for the customer. There are two things which we are more focused. Last maybe Thursday we are having a word with our team meeting, and we are looking forward for boosting our e-portals like e-commerce, and we are also avoiding the cash flow transaction to the stores. We are digitalizing, like we are more into the digital payments and all of it. That will be, and we are doing aggressively social media marketing, or you can say the digital marketing via whatever the platform you choose. And we are giving certain amount of good vouchers. Like if you redeem, you can have a voucher of 500. I'm just giving example. Suppose if you are having an e-voucher of 1,000 rupees that you can redeem in the store of like 1,400. So we are giving the 400 discounts for the surplus amount to stop them. The cash flows, like the direct cash transaction, will have to aggressively we have to look forward, because which is one of the basic needs in the customer. So nobody can get infected. We can do all these things. The digital payment is we are having aggressively we are looking at, and digital marketing also we are penetrating, and we are also thinking of virtually something that will be coming up. Last night I was going on LinkedIn page or on that Instagram page for Arvind, like US Polo and everything. The customers are really waiting to do shopping. So we have in India, you can't stop a customer to do shopping for longer time. Correct?
Yes.
So they are literally waiting to store to open. They're having so many queries. Okay, will design change? Will pricing change? Nothing gonna be changed because obviously everything has been settled in prior also. We are not going to change the price points, but yes, we are going to give some discounts, some good offers, some good promotions. So we are working on 2 seasons in future seasons, like coming seasons. So the people will, they are basically more doing research on WGSN, the color palettes and all. They are more referring to the Vogue magazine, whatever the latest magazines we are having. So we are researching on only we are taking the inputs for the color wise. So what we do based on the last year's sales with the quantity, how much we have sold and which all of the design has been impacted to the customers. So and we are just multiplying with 25. We are not taking much of numbers. Like suppose this last year we sold 1,000 pieces. So this year we are not gonna sell 2,000 pieces, which is not realistic also. We are manufacturing almost 1,400 or 1,250 garments. I'm just giving an example.
Yeah.
So based on that, plus 25%, looking at the last year sales and quantity and everything and pricing and everything, we are just giving the 25% of margin to increase the number. If something goes well, we can remanufacture them. We can reproduce them to ask to our export houses to manufacture them and get it back to the stores. That's two. Suppose some fresh garments in the store, we are not having the good numbers coming into. So we'll put them on, not sale, we can put them on promotion. Promotion as in like certain, if you will select some garment for that section or the men's or the women's or the kids, you will get certain percentage of discount over there. Or either you can do a fresh shopping and you will get some 2,000 coupons that you can redeem on those numbers. We have downsizes our budget and we have looking cut down on buying season also. We have for like autumn winter we are not having whatever we have planned like 100%. We are going with 75% of buying. These days, so we are doing the only design teams are working. Design teams are working very aggressively. Marketing teams are working very aggressively. As a merchandiser, what we are doing, whatever the work which we have left in before the COVID-19, so we are completing them, like returns, like the product which is not selling in the store, we are doing RTV. We'll send back to the warehouse. We'll send back to the certain vendors. So we are just cleaning all the stores. Like every store having some 30% of which is surplus or which is not selling good. We'll get them out, get the reading out. Basically, we calculate 50%. It's like a merchandise mix in a store. So 55% of merchandise is men's, 30% is women's. That depends on the market scenario, which mall, which store, which reacting how much that up. Worked in H&M for shorter period. I have a very short period. Like I have worked for only 1 year. I was taking care of sustainability department over there. That means if some customers is returning old clothes, so what they do? So what H&M is doing, they are taking old clothes to the one sport house. They are reusing their fabric. Reusing the fabric, that means they will discarding those fabric and turning it into the yarn and the thread, and they're manufacturing some certain thing. Like they're having organic cotton, which basically you will find in the kids section over there. So whatever the kids department having the green label of tag, they're all organic cotton. Organic cotton, that means that is just a recyclable fabric. Yes, obviously it will reflect to we'll have to educate the customers before penetrating anything in the organic, because in India, people are not much of aware of organic things and sustainable things. We'll have to educate them. We'll have to aggressively promote them on social media, whatsoever the platform you choose. But yes, we'll have to convince them. We'll have to try to educate them to the customers. This is the future. This is the future. I would say the people who are the students who are passing out this year, they will have to be mentally and physically prepared. Don't feel demotivated. Feel motivated. Whatever you do well, give your 100% and stay safe.